Antec, a leading provider of high-performance computer components and accessories for the gaming, PC upgrade and do-it-yourself market, has announced the partnership with the UK-based independent game publisher, the Irregular Corporation, to appear in their popular game PC Building Simulator. PC Building Simulator launched into early access on March 27 and sold over 100,000 copies in its first month. Users can purchase PC Building Simulator on Steam for £14.99/$19.99/€19.99. An update to the game today will enable players to kickstart building their dream Antec PC with the DF500, part of their Dark Fleet gaming series, which features RGB integration and a tempered glass panel so you can admire your flashy builds. In future updates, the smooth and streamlined P6, P7, P8 and P110 cases will offer sleek performance and features such as space-efficient interiors, direct airflow cooling systems, dust filtration, and more, perfect for those who are seeking a high-quality rig. All aforementioned cases will be recreated and fully functional within the game. "We are very happy to be part of this exciting game," says Lee Bryan, Sales Manager UK. To virtually build the rig of your dreams, troubleshoot, simulate a business and, last but not least, get to use officially licensed components from notable manufacturers sound like a perfect game for passionate users. "We are delighted to be able to work with Antec in bringing their hardware to PC Building Simulator," says Stuart Morton, producer at the Irregular Corporation. "We often get asked if Antec products will be available in the game, and it is great to be able to now say yes, and bring them to life in the simulation for everyone to enjoy." PC Building Simulator puts players in the anti-static wrist strap of a PC builder, working within their own shop to create fully functioning gaming PCs. The game features a large array of detailed and accurately rendered components, from motherboards to CPUs that respond just as they would in real life. Fully animated installations let the players see exactly where each part slots into the computer, preparing them for a real-life build once they feel comfortable within the simulation. A clever tutorial guides players step by step through the PC building process. Using detailed instructions, the simulator explains each component and function and allows players the freedom to preview their own creations and play independently when they have learned the ropes. Well, the cables. Never underestimate the positive effects of good cable management.